Okay guys, how are you? I hope that you're fine. Now I will disassemble the GADMEI Super VGA TV box. Here we can see that is a port, antenna in, DC 5 volt, audio out, PC out, VGA in and VGA out. Here you can see also some ports of audio and is an indicator light or infrared ray light. From here we can connect remote to this TV box, and in the upper part of this TV box you can see menu, power button, volume down button, volume up button, channel down button, channel up button, and this is speaker. The quality of sound is very good. So this is GADMEI Super VGA TV box. Now I will disassemble it. I take some screwdriver. Here the screw, you can see that we have to remove this. So we have successfully removed this. There are 3 screws. Now we have to top these screws. We have successfully removed the screws from the downwards. Now we'll disassemble it. You can see that I'm opening the TV box. Finally, we have teared down the GADMEI Super VGA TV box. Now here we can see that there are also some screws. We have also to remove this by using this screwdriver. Now we can finally remove this TV box. You can see very easily. You can see that so here we can see that the speaker is the port. These are the port. So here you can see some informations like the website of TNA Electronics. Besides, there are chip, and this is the light, infrared relay. From this light, the infrared ray exits. This is the audio port. We can also remove this. So this is the port. You can see that. I hope that you have already understand this. No more today. Please subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon.